Why most traders fail and how to fix it. I'm going to break down all this into 6 parts. And this is the part 1 of the video, which is the brutal truth. Hard truth: the market isn't your problem and you are the problem. Most traders chase money, not discipline. I will explain this before the end of this video and you will wait for me. Immediately after I'm done, I will just go on. For everyone wants fast wins, nobody wants boring consistency. I will explain that all in this video. So let's just dive into the video. Most traders chase money, not discipline. What does that sound? Most traders chase money, not discipline. It's like when you just want to start trading, you just want money. You don't want to follow the process step by step, and which is very wrong. Don't chase the money. Chase the knowledge first. Know your strategy. Build an edge before you start doing money things. Understand what I mean here. What I mean here is that in 6 months, you can be profitable. Just mind you, the first month, know the basics. The second month, find your strategy. I know you'll be testing many strategies: price action, supply and demand, ICT, and so on and so forth, SMT. We'll just be looking for a strategy that will fit you first. Before finding that strategy, that's the difficult phase. But if you find the strategy, as long as you can find the strategy that from the beginning of the second month, then you are good to go. After finding your strategy, what next are you going to do in the third month? The third month is to find yourself. Risk management, control your emotion, greed, fear, and so on and so forth. And that's another difficult phase in trading. You cannot just skip those phases I mentioned and jump into money like that. You start just earning money without struggling with those phases. Finding yourself is very difficult. If you are greedy, you have to find it yourself. You understand what I mean? That's another phase. In the 4th month, that's where you will face the losing phase. What I mean here is that you will see as if your strategy is not working. You will be hitting SLs, plenty SLs, like maybe a revenge trade after SL. That's when it is very difficult. Losing trade, blowing account, whatever. In the 5th month, that's where maybe you start earning. You will know yourself. You start earning just a couple of income, but you are trying to be like bringing in percentage, using percentage, not the money. Like don't just follow profit, follow percentage of your account. You start earning in percentage, and in the 6th month, that's where you will go for profit. That's where you have opportunity to be given a big account, large sum of account that you can trade and bargain with each other. So now let's move on. Everyone wants fast wins. Everyone wants fast wins, yes. Like me, I want fast wins, and you too. Everyone wants it. So, but let me be sincere with you. Sincerely speaking, everyone wants fast win, and I know most of the traders are like that, but beginners. But pro traders don't want fast wins. They follow the process step by step. Don't just go and open your laptop, analyze your market, and you will be waiting for the market to go to the level. Like keep waiting, and you can't wait. At the end of the time, you can't wait. You just jump into the trend because you want fast money. You just want the money. You don't want the proper setup, which is very a good reason that most traders blown accounts. Early wins, early entries. Like, do you know the difference between early wins and early entries? If you want me to drop a video on that, just make a comment in this comment section and I will get back to you. Let's move on. Nobody wants boring consistency. Wow. You don't want consistency. You don't want boring consistency. And consistency is boring. Yes, consistency is boring. That's the most boring part. Consistency. What is this consistency? Consistency means not trading every day. Like, the way you understand that you are achieving something in your trading process is when you open your laptop or your phone, or if you are using phone, and see you cannot even find your setup. That's when I know you can trade. I leave it today. That's very, very good of you. When you open a chart, I realize that there is no setup. I can't find my setup. After all those that strategy where you just check, after all those that strategy you have tested before, and you open a chart, after you found out your strategy that's working for you, and you open a chart and you could not find your strategy, like if you are trading brick and retest, like if you are trading brick and retest and you see the market moving somehow, you cannot find that brick and retest and you leave it the day, a very congratulations for you. You skip the day. The next day you cannot find it, you skip the day. The next day you cannot find it, you skip the day. That's consistent and it is very boring. If you can do that, congratulations to you. That's very good of you. That's you can trade. I admire you as you can trade. And one thing you need to know is that during this consistency phase is that people want more money, and you will not be finding the good setup that in those phases. Like, you like money and you don't want to stop chasing money. In part 2, I will show you the first mistake that wipes out accounts silently. Just continue following the phases. If you don't subscribe, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Let's meet in the part 2.